All right, as promised, got that bad boy put on. Really wasn't nothing to it. I already saw the video on YouTube, so knew there wasn't nothing to it. But yeah, let me just go ahead and step back and let you look at it. We'll talk about the installation part in a minute. But yeah, walking up on it, dude, that's the answer right there. Definitely gonna look way better once I get the black panels on the triangles there. That's gonna really just set this engine compartment off. Engine cover alone is good, especially when the hatch is down. But for car shows, you definitely want to go, you want to make it happen and get the triangles on both sides. You can't see them right now, so it don't matter. But yeah, that's it. You walk up. Look at that. Gorgeous. I'm gonna look up here and make sure I got that thing. It looks almost like it's, let me see something here. Yeah. Go check something while I show you guys. Yeah, it's on there flush. Okay, everything's flush. But yeah, you got basically 4 bolts. So that one right there. This one is actually holding on this cover, or this wire harness holder, whatever you want to call it. So that just, you basically unscrew it, and then this will set to the side. You do have to move it over a little bit with a little bit of force when you're lifting this. It's not like when you take it out, unscrew it, it doesn't just dangle. It's still kind of in place because these are all probably fuel lines or something like that. Same thing on the other side. 10 millimeter, by the way. There you go. So same thing. Set that to the side. And then the clip. So the way this clip works, I'm going to zoom in for you. You're going to get a screwdriver and you're going to push that. Well, there you go. I don't have it clipped in back all the way yet. I'm going to clip it in. Bam. Y'all heard that. All right. But yeah, you just basically push that way towards this, and then it pivots. Doesn't come off. It's like it's on a hinge. And then when you take the cover off, right? And that is on there. You can get one of those plastic tools, trim panel removers. But what I did, I'll show you here. Go back, and everything's a mess, man. I'm downstairs is still work in progress. But what I basically did is I put it right here, and I just wiggled it back and forth as I was pulling. And that pulls, basically there's tons of ribs, right, on the actual plastic screw that goes through there. And by pulling and twisting, you're able to manipulate it out without using a tool. And then it just goes right back into the to the new cover that you get. So about as easy of an install as you can get. But yeah, walking up to the car show, let's go ahead and pop this hood up a little bit higher like you would at the car show. Let's step back, right? So you're just minding your own business. Boom, look at that, right? You got the yellow calipers. What I'm glad I realized that it was too much yellow in the engine bay. My whole theme is that I got black and yellow on the interior, and I wanted to keep it black and yellow on the inside of the engine bay. I mean, that's really what it came down to. And I knew I was dead set on wanting the yellow engine cover because I knew how much that would pop. You could get blue, but it's not the same, man. There is such a thing as too much blue. That's why I like the carbon flash, big wing, the blackout lights, black rims, tint, black everything as I can get. The badges are black, front and rear. Too much blue to me is just too much blue, right? So I'm really, really glad I went with the yellow. I think it looks absolutely stunning. But yeah, you're walking up at a car show, and this is what you're gonna see. Carbon fiber. Stunning piece. So yeah, just missing the triangles, man. Once we get those triangles in black, that's just going to absolutely make that a masterpiece, along with getting the yellow towers. Holy cow. And then of course the overlays in black, as well as getting that painted accelerate yellow. She's going to look awesome. So let's go ahead and close the hood, or the hatch, I should say. And bam, look at that, man. So yeah, just standing from behind. Boom, now you can see it. Before, you could not see the engine cover whatsoever. It was such a light, dark, not say light, it was a dark color, but it was just like, it had no substance to it, man. With the reflection on the window, you really couldn't even see the engine cover. I mean, you damn near had to get all the way up and try to look for it. Now, woo, almost fell there. I gotta get this garage cleaned up. That's coming next, though. But yeah, man, when you're walking up to the car now, you can see it. Look at that. You can see it through the mesh. Oh yeah, I'm digging it. I'm really digging that. That's what it's all about. So my opinion is, if you're gonna do the color engine panel, whatever that color is, don't do the triangles in the same color, guys. I'm telling you right now, it's gonna be too much. So pick the color that you want to really pop on that engine color, whether it's rapid blue or it don't matter what color it is. Get that color, and then just do the either black, gloss, or carbon flash. It's not going to really matter too much on your triangle pieces right there. I think you'll be a lot happier with that. That's just my opinion. Obviously, do as you please. It's your baby. It's just like this is my baby, so we're going to mod them how we want, but that's just my 2 cents. All right, well, pretty long video for a engine bay, but dang, it looks so good. I feel like we should just keep this thing going. Hell, let me pop the trunk for you one more time. Pop in that trunk. Get you a nice little zoom in. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's it. All right, guys. Well, appreciate you watching. Be sure to leave your thoughts and comments in the or thoughts, suggestions in the comment section, and we'll be sure to see you on the next one.